In 2018, government commissioned the Entebbe expressway, a 51-kilometer stretch from Busega to Nkumba, connecting to Entebbe International Airport. The road was constructed with a plan to charge all motorists using it in order to raise money to pay the cost of its construction. However, this was delayed after government failed to enact laws governing road tolls in the country.
And in 2019, Cabinet approved the tolling policy. But as we are going to implement, we sought advice from the Solicitor General, who expressly said that the tolling policy alone cannot enable us to do tolling unless we amend the Roads Act.
Now, government has finalized the process of enacting the law and expects to start charging road users starting next financial year.
We are soon gazetting this road for toll, and within the next few months, you'll be expected to be paying for using this very nice facility.
However, the Works Ministry is still tight-lipped about how much motorists will be charged for using the road.
The expected amount that is going to be paid by road users is also contained in the tolling strategy. Now, this tolling strategy is going to be discussed at the technical level by the PS.
The revelation by the Minister of Works and Transport, General Katumba Wamala, came as he briefed the country on the progress of his ministry in the implementation of the NRM manifesto of the 2016-2021. General Katumba also decried of the poor funding to the road sector that has left several areas poorly covered.
We have increased on the number of roads which have been improved, the number of roads which have been constructed. But we are not moving in terms of maintenance. And I know KCC is really in bad shape these days. Everybody is crying about the potholes in the city. And those potholes can only be cured if we increase on the budget for their maintenance of the roads. As you realize, most of the roads in KCC area have outlived their usefulness.
According to General Katumba, the ministry requires about 1.2 trillion shillings annually for road maintenance.
So there is an overload on these roads which actually need total overhaul, most of them. The patching no longer does the trick, because you patch in one area, then it pops up in another area.
The minister also clarified on plans for the standard gauge railway. On Wednesday, Finance Minister Matia Kasaija said government had stopped plans to construct the standard gauge railway until Kenya connects to Maraba.
Kenya has not officially communicated to the region to say, I'm not going to complete the stretch of the construction.
The minister also defended the decision to send the senior management of Uganda Airlines on leave, which had sent shocks suggesting internal problems of the recently revived national carrier.
Public service does not allow you to accumulate leave, and Uganda Airlines could not pay for those accumulated leave. Now, we are in the low ebb operation at this time, low ebb, because of COVID. So, have no sleepless nights over Uganda Airlines. It's alive, and it's going to, and the work is going on.
The minister also announced plans for Uganda to take over the East African Aviation School at Soroti, which is currently managed under the East African Community. Jingo Francis, NTV.